Good morning. Good morning, grade 4 students. So we had a wonderful time today. So before we move on to our lesson, so uh, have you ever taken part in any school play or any functions or events that happen in your school? Yes, very good. So how do you feel? Excellent. We all feel very excited, no? Even ma'am, when I was small, I used to take part in everything and I used to feel very happy and excited. Even ma'am used to think when they will call us for rehearsal, practice. So it was wonderful days for ma'am. So I hope the same with you. So all of you will feel excited and happy, isn't it? Yes, so now we are going to see a new lesson, the school play. Okay, the school play written by Soumya Rajendran. So this is a drama. Have you ever acted in a drama? Yes, there are many scenes, lot of characters, and what we do? We act, isn't it? Yes, we act. So like that, let us see what is this drama about. So the story starts with scene 1. So what is it? It is scene 1. So this is a drama. So this is a drama, the school play. The story starts with scene 1. So there are two characters here. So the first one is Kirtika. So the first one is Kirtika and the second character is Mother. Okay. So we saw two characters here. One is Kirtika and the next one is her mother. So there is a conversation between these two. So what's a conversation? A conversation is a general talk between two people. So a conversation is a general talk between two people. So the scene opens with a conversation between Kirtika and the mother. So what is it? So let us see. So what happens here? Kritika is in a bed. Can you see? Yes. So Kritika is in a bed. She's tossing up herself like this. And what happens? Mommy comes inside and she ons the light and she sits near Kritika in the bed. Can you see? Yes. Then what happens? Kritika gets up and she sits down and the conversation starts. So what happens? A mother's asking, are you nervous about going to a new school? So mommy is so worried and asking her, are you nervous to going to a new school? And what Kritika is saying, yes mama, now only I made friends in my old school. So soon we have shifted here. Then what mother says, okay, cheer up baby, she says, and surely you will become all right the next day. So she said, hope so, she says. And what mommy does? She offs back the light and she goes out of the room. With this, scene 1 ends. Now we come to scene 2. So in scene 2, we find again Kritika, who is the main character of the story. Yeah, Kritika, then Meena, then it is a boy's name. Where is he? Sukant. S-U-K-A-N-T. Sukant and Veena. We see that in scene 2, there are 3 new characters. Who are they? Meena, Sukant and Veena. Meena, Sukant and Veena. Excuse me. So what happens here? The scene 2 scene starts when Kritika enters the classroom. So when you enter the new school, a new classroom, how do you feel? Straight away you'll go in and sit down? No. We will enter, we will look around and observe many things, isn't it? Yes. Same way Kritika does, and what she sees Meena and Sukant are going through their bags. They are checking if they have their pencils, their notebooks, their homeworks, everything with them. And then who's the first person talk with Meena. So the first person to have the conversation with Meena is, Kritika is Meena. So Meena, as soon as she sees Kritika, hi, are you new? What's your name? From where are you? Like that, how we talk now when we find anyone new in our school with us. Yes, the same way Meena goes on with Kritika. She asks her what's her name, from where you are. Then she also says that Kritika is tall and she can join a swimming team. So when Meena and Kritika was talking, who's the person who interrupts? Yeah, Sukant interrupts with Meena. So Sukant starts talking with Meena. What he wants? He wants Meena's homework. So Meena is saying, you only should do your homework. Huh? Can I give you my homework? Like that, Meena starts talking with Sukant. So when these two start talking, what Kritika does? She stands simply looking at them. And Meena is saying that you have to do your homework. Why you never did your homework? Like that, Meena is asking. And what Sukant says, the very first day in school, I don't want to get abusing. So this is wrong, right? He should be good enough to do his own homework. So we all should do our homework and be the best. We should not get bad name from others, isn't it? Yes. So Sukant tells that Meena tells that you should do your homework. So when Meena and Sukant were talking, another person interrupts. I told you, no, what is interrupt? Talking in between. So Veena talks in between. So Veena talks in between. What Veena is saying? Veena is saying, today also you never did your homework. Like that she is asking, and she turns to Kritika, and what she is saying? Hello, who is this? So she is asking, who is this? And what Kritika is saying? Hi, I am Kritika. So hi, I am Kritika, she is saying. Then we see this page ends by Kritika talking to herself. She is talking to herself within her. What she is saying? This is going to be a terrible year for me. So she is saying, this is going to be a terrible year for me. So this is our story. We see so far in scene 1 and scene 2. In scene 1 we saw about Kritika and the mother. Conversation between Kritika and the mother. In scene 2 we see that the scene opens in the school, the classroom, and there is a talk between 4 of them. Kritika, Meena, Sukant and Veena. So here we have ended our story today, and coming to your homework. Page number 47. Page number 47. Please complete your homework. Take a pic and send it to ma'am before 7 p.m. And another small request. Many of you have not submitted your homework and your classwork. Please see that you are regular in your work and submit it to me. If you have any incomplete work that you have not shown it to ma'am before, please submit it before 7 p.m. today. Okay? So all the very best. Your exams are approaching. Please learn well and do your exams. See that you write your question numbers correctly. Read the question once or twice and then answer it. Please try answering all the questions and be sincere in your work. Okay? And then coming to your GK question. Name a sentence write a sentence that has all the English alphabets in it. Okay? Take care, students. Bye.